If you need to delete products in your GoDaddy account, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you're cleaning up old services, removing unused add-ons, or just managing your account more efficiently, this is a simple way to do it safely. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tech videos like this. Alright, let's get started. First, sign into your GoDaddy account using your usual login details. Once you're inside your dashboard, look to the top of the page and click on your profile icon. This is where GoDaddy keeps account and billing related options, including the section you need for managing products. From the menu that appears, click Renewals and Billings. This page shows the products and services connected to your account, such as domains, hosting, email plans, and other subscriptions. It's the main area you'll use when you want to review, renew, or remove items. Now scroll through your list of products and find the one you want to delete. When you locate it, expand that product so you can see the available options. Depending on the type of product, GoDaddy may show a delete button or a similar removal option. Click delete to begin the removal process. GoDaddy will then ask you to confirm that you really want to delete the product. This is an important step because deleting a product can remove it from your account and may affect services tied to it. Make sure you check the confirmation box if one appears. This tells GoDaddy that you understand the action you're taking. After that, GoDaddy will send a verification email to the address linked to your account. This extra security step helps prevent accidental deletions and makes sure the request is really coming from you. Open your inbox and look for the confirmation email from GoDaddy. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder just in case it was filtered there. Once you find the email, open it and click the verification link or confirmation button to approve the deletion. After you confirm through email, GoDaddy will process the request and remove the selected products from your account. In some cases, the deletion may happen right away, and in other cases, it may take a little time to fully update. If the product is tied to an active service, just make sure you understand what will happen before confirming. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a product in your GoDaddy account. This is a really useful skill if you want to keep your account organized and avoid paying for services you no longer need. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.